Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in Dollar General to do our haul. This will be all digital. Hopefully we can keep it between $5 and $8 because I have a budget of only $8 because I went over last week. If you guys want to know exactly what I'm talking about concerning my budget, then go look at my coupon stuffing, cash stuffing envelope or video. Let's go. Okay guys, so we will be starting over here in this corner right quick. So we're gonna grab this one right here for $4, and it is a Cover Girl, and it's for $4, but the coupon is for 3. So grab that and making it $1. Guys, I gotta literally speak over the music. It's so loud up in here, okay? So that's what it is. But let me repeat that again in case you didn't hear it. This is $4. Cover Girl with the pencil. We have a $3 coupon for that. Grab it. It makes it $1. Okay. So now let's go to the detergent and we want to check out the all in here. Okay, the all detergent is on sale, the blue packs right here. So here you go, right here. Let's scan this. Okay, so the all detergent, it is at $4 this week. You got to get the blue one, all stain lifter. And when you do that, you're going to scan that. And this is the coupon that's attaching to it, $3 off of one 4-in-1 duo pack. So that is attaching, making this all $1. Now, I'll screenshot that. Okay, this will be a great deal doing the 5 off of 25, but because I have my budgeting class on Saturday, I cannot do those hauls. That's why I put your scenarios out. So I'm going to grab both of mine now on both of my accounts. So as of now, you will see 2 of these and one for each one of those accounts right there, okay? So, and also, guys, I want to make you a good mention. This right here, this is a good deal. It's $3.95. It's $1 off coupon, making it $2.95. If you can find any overage coupons, that's a great deal. Okay, guys, this is another great deal, but this is the 85 with 150 ounces right here. They are $4.50. It's $1 off coupon, making that $3.50. That's another great deal. That is a good on the extra. And as you can see, they are leaving very quickly because that is a good deal on the extra. So I might grab that. I'm still thinking, should I grab it or not, okay? I'm going to put it in the bucket just in case. Okay, right here you got the Airwick, and the Airwick is $3.35, but you got $1.50 off coupon, making this $1.85. This deal is back. Paper and digital coupon. This is all digital this week, though, guys. So we're going to grab this one right here, make it $1.85, but make sure you scan it, so I will scan it so you can see. And here it is right here. That's the Airwick right there. And then when you scan it, you get the $1.50 off coupon, making that $1.85. Guys, I was gonna grab this one right here, the Glad Plus warmer for for $1.50 off, but I thought it was cheaper than that. It's actually $5. Don't get that. We'll see. They should be bringing a coupon out soon for that. Okay, we're on the dollar aisle, and I am looking actually for the Airwicks. I want to see if they have the gel Airwicks. Supposed to be taking $1 off too. It's attaching to the ones on the dollar aisle. I don't see them, so let me look right quick and see. No, I don't see them anywhere at all. I only see these two right here. I only see renews it, so I'm gonna go on the other aisle and see. Okay, so this right here, we're gonna scan this. Okay, so grab 2 of these. You're gonna grab Clean Linen or the Hawaiian Breeze. I'm gonna just grab 2 Clean Linens, okay? Now, when I scan that, here you go, right here. You see that? Well, watch. That's attaching, making those 50 cents each. 50 cents each. That's what it's making them, guys, okay? So I'm going to do 2 transactions, so I'm going to grab 2 more of them. So I'm going to grab 2 more clean linens. And let me show you how your buggy should be looking now. That. Okay. And then that. Okay. $1, $1, 3, One, two, three, 4.85 at this point. So that's $5. And then I have that. I have $8. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab that for those deals. Okay. So let's go and look at their clearances and see how their clearance is doing. Guys, I still have not found the dollar peanut butter. I don't think I think they pulled it once they discovered it was overage. But look at this. This is the Belvita breakfast biscuits. They're $1 off coupon. I'm gonna grab this for my other account, okay? Because these are great and I love them. And I'll take this out of my personal money, okay? Personal money. Okay, so there you go right there. I grab both. I'm going to use separate accounts for them though, okay? And I'll put that money back into those accounts. Okay, so the candy is still 25% off. Some of the Valentine's candy is 25% off. And then the Valentine's clearance is still 50% off. So they haven't even reached the next point yet. But if you scan, it might be cheaper, so let me scan. Okay, so it's 50 cents, guys, so it's not any cheaper. So at this point, Walmart, Walgreens, and Target, they're about your best deals for those clearances for the Valentine's Day. So let's go over here to the clearance aisle and see what they have. You can't never miss the clearance aisle, guys. Always go there and scan. Okay, now you know, guys, this week coming up in the March P&G, these have a $3 off coupon, but we're going to use those somewhere else. So they do have their Hanes that's 25% off right here. See, all their Hanes is 25% off. Okay, let me scan these and see how much they are because I know they had a sale, but I don't think it was really that good. The clearance I showed you was not in this facility, this one. It was in another one that I go to. So guys, I scanned a lot over here and none of this stuff is on sale. But let me show you something. This Sports Off, we have a coupon for this. Scan this and see how much it is. Let me scan it, okay? Okay, so you're looking at this, right? And you saw me just scan it. Let me show you how much it is and let me show you how we get overage in here. Now you see that? That's $2.85 when it come up. We have coupons right now for $2, $3, and $4, and $7, I believe. Those will make good overages if you can grab those, okay? It's a good deal, even with it not being on a clearance price. It's on the clearance. We got coupons for it. You can get overage with that because they do give you overage. I just want to let you all know how to get the overage, okay? That's one way you get the overage in Dollar General. And let me scan these. Okay, so those was not it. But so far, I just showed you some overage. Go grab your overage coupons. I don't have mine with me. I came in specifically to do digitals on Tuesday, on Monday, and this is for Tuesday. That's why you also would not see penny items in here because I am doing this video on a Monday. I release it on Tuesday, guys. So you just gotta bear with me on that one. Let's see this is a good one right here, but it's only 25% off. It's not a big amount off like we thought it was. I want to check one more thing in the toothpaste paste. Hey guys, if you guys use this for yeast, that is cheap. $2.50 right there. That's a real cheap price for that. A lot of people use that because when you eat a lot of sugars, that's what happens. It gives you a yeast infection. I don't eat them. If you had a $1.50, $1.75 off coupon, you grab two of these and you'll pay $1 a piece for each one. That's a great deal too, but I also got a great deal at Walgreens yesterday. At Walmart. So go watch that Walmart video, guys. Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. Well, we are back from Dollar General. And it was an easy peasy haul. I loved it. It was all digital. It was quick. We didn't have to look for nothing. When I tell you the early bird catch the worm, be up, guys, so you can catch that worm, okay? So these were $3, $4. We had a $3 off coupon, making them $1. These, we believe, is a glitch in the coupon world. It's only attaching to the clean linen and the Hawaiian or something like that. These were $1 each. That coupon, when it attached, makes those 50 cents a piece. This was $4. It had a $3 coupon that attached, making these $1. Now make sure you get this. It says in that corner 500 black Noir. It's 2 pencils and it's a sharpener. This is the one, and it's short. It's not a tall one. Okay, the Belvita was something I ran across. I love Belvita crackers. These were $2.50. The coupon digital was for $1, so I grabbed it. Okay, so these 5 things right here. This is how much we paid out of pocket, $4.50 before taxes, guys. That is an easy peasy all digital haul. This also will go great off your 5 off 25. So be looking for me to do in store 5 off 25 on Thursday, 7 a.m. It'll be released. Okay, I also did it again. I left these crackers in my daughter's car. I got the extra, which was $4 and let me see. The extra was $4.50, and I had a $1 off coupon, making it $3.50. Great deal for this big thing of extra. It's 85 loads, okay? Then I got this. This is back for giving us the $1.50 off, okay? And then I also got the CoverGirl, and I went and got the Glade. So all together, that one came up to $9.95. Now, this is the thing. These are sold and this is sold. And I'm going to throw these in as a little friendly reminder of I appreciate everyone. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye.